I have a Mac Mini and some Crucial RAM. Let's put them together. I got some Crucial RAM 16 gigs to give this guy a little bit of speed because he's becoming a bit of lagger, and if I want to get that Final Cut Pro game running nice and smooth and buttery, here's the back of the packaging for anyone who so desires to read that, and let's pop into it. Yeah, get a nice look at that. Yes, that's how the RAMs look, and we'll just put that to the side while I show you how to open this guy up. This is a feature that is sadly taken away from the 2014 Mac Mini. So you see these black and white dots, you see this black dot and this clear dot. All you're going to do is take these two notches and slide them over to the side there. And then that'll give you the ability to take the top off with a little bit of a... Yeah, just flip it upside down and give it a shake if it doesn't want to come out. And you'll be greeted with the inside of your Mac Mini. Now, where's the RAM? Where's the RAM? There's the RAM. So you don't even have to go too far. And all you do is you flip these two tabs up. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. You don't have to force it, you know. You don't have to use the force, Luke. Yeah, twice. And then there's another set of them inside here. All you do is, again, nice and easy, nice and slow, as Yo-Yo Gabba Team says there. Put them to the side, because hey, maybe you can give them to your family for a Christmas present or something. Go nice and easy, nice and slow again to try and get these buddies out of here. Try not to break them. Just anticipate the fast and furious speed you're gonna get out of these guys right here. You can see that fan spinning. Yeah. Isto complicated. Don't mess with me, my man. Okay, and all you're gonna do is get these guys in at that nice little degree there. Give them a slight little push, and you can tell that they're in if you can't see gold anymore. I think we might be there. Okay, yeah. So just give it a nice push down, and once you can't see gold anymore, just give it a push down, and then they're locked in. One more time, I wanna celebrate. Fast speed, no lag, I'm not joking. No more times, cause the RAM's in the thing. Okay, then, once again, just repeat the process. Turn it to the solid colored guy right there. Might take a little bit of pressure, but yeah, there you go. Enjoy a speedy computer. You want some RAM sticks? Here, you could stick them in your nose. Get back here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe right here for more videos, and I will see you later. Peace!